Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Ind and today's video is going to be how I create my flawless foundation. A lot of people have been asking how I create my foundation on social media and how it always looks flawless. To me, I always think it looks rubbish, but sometimes it always looks really good. You know, you can't win, okay? So yeah, I am going to go and I'm going to show you guys how I create a flawless foundation look. Yeah, let's go. We're starting off, a priority of mine is skincare. Now, 90% of you probably will just apply your foundation, won't care about skincare, won't about anything. I have a routine morning and night for skincare, so when I come home from work, my foundation, like my makeup is off, and then I can chill, and then bedtime I will then do a double cleanse. I basically take off my makeup when I get home because I don't want to wear makeup. I want to take it off, and sometimes I'll actually take it off on the way home. I have got like skincare stuff in my bag, so yeah, that is something I do quite a lot. Hydration, I try to drink at least 2 litres of water a day. I would like to say I have had 0 glasses of water today. I'm not showing a good example. Okay, so I have cleansed my face, I've toned, I've done all my morning skincare, and I'm just about to moisturise. So I'm moisturising with the Elmis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is actually an anti-aging one. I got a sample of it and I'm just going to use it. It's actually really nice though. So yeah, so I'm just going to apply that to my skin and just let that settle in. And then I toss up between two ways of applying my foundation. The Cash Beauty sponge, this is my bridal dye, or I use the Morphe M439 brush. They are my favourite flawless foundation skincare. I'm just going to go down with my sponge, and then foundation, I use the Collection Lasting Perfection Glow Foundation. This is in Fair. Now this is the lightest shade, and I won't lie, this does oxidize quite a lot. So my top tip, if I'm going to do this foundation, I go with a little bit lighter of a concealer, and I just apply it in the areas a little bit more to create that more fair skinned look. Basically, I'm just going to go damp my sponge and then I'll be back. So I have damped my sponge and I've got my brush in case I want to use it. Yeah, I just apply, to be fair, I do use my sponge more than often. So I just apply a pump to the back of my sponge. I just apply it to areas. And then I just dab and move. I think this is a lightweight full coverage foundation. With this foundation, I like to go little and more, and because I'm using a sponge, it does take up a little bit more of the moisture. It sucks up some of the foundation, which I like, because I like to see my freckles still showing through. And yeah, just work it in. For concealer underneath my eye, I go between two, which is the Sephora Best Skin Ever High Coverage Concealer in 3, or the Fit Me Concealer in 03, and then cream contour or cream bronze, I go in with the number 7 Second Skin Enhancing Concealer. Yeah, just like this one for cream contouring. I just do 3 lines underneath my eyes. My cream contour, I always go above here, because when I blend, it will go to that area. So yeah, that is all my cream products on my face. Now I don't look so mad. Right, in with the Collection matte bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze my face up. I always say do this in natural lighting, because natural lighting is the best lighting you can get. I obviously am filming, so yeah, mine always is going to look a lot more brighter and a lot more orange when I go into real life. So I'm just basically bronzing up my temple, my forehead and like my cheeks, and just really sweeping that up to create lift. Which is here, I found it. So normally I do contour using Laguna, but I obviously couldn't find it, so I've bronzed now. For blush I go in with Orgasm and just basically lift and apply, dab it. Highlighter, I have been loving the Le Mascara. Oh my god, beyond highlighter. Just look at that beauty. Look at that. So yeah, again I'm going to just highlight my face using that. Skin is quite glowy as it is because of my foundation choice, but also the way I've applied it and stuff, it will always look a lot more glowy anyway. So you're just sort of enhancing that glow ever so slightly. You don't want to go in aggressively, but just something so you can notice that glow. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how I create this like flawless foundation base makeup. Yeah, if you want to know anything else about how I create this foundation skincare foundation base or my face makeup base, then please comment down below. I will also put how I created this base method down below as well. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.